Hi, this is Lisa Maria Cantalupo from lisacantalupo.com and sexyskins.etsy.com. Quick, raw, unedited video just to talk about Segma snaps for one bit. The female end, I believe this is the female end, you may have noticed doesn't properly secure on the Segma snaps. I learned recently that they changed, or the manufacturer changed the opening. So when you're pounding this in, you're actually stretching out. You see it's really tight. You're stretching it out and it's not securing properly. And I learned that if you take a file, I have two sets of tools because I went out to buy a new set because I was having such a problem. So I took my older set and I filed it down with a couple of files, being careful that it remained intact, the shape remained intact. And you probably cannot see it, but it is different. Yeah, I doubt you're going to be able to see it. But it is a little bit smaller. So I gave it a try, and it's nice and tight. It's like really nice and tight, just the way we want them. So give it a shot. Any questions, just post them in the comments. Good luck. I hope it works for you. It worked for me. Okay, thanks. Ciao.